Have your allergies been acting up lately? Well, there's more than a connection between pollen levels and the weather.
Meteorologist Steve Fundero explains how climate change may be making our allergies worse in the latest Science with Steve.
Spring is a season of new life. Extra daylight, extra warmth, everything starts to bloom. And it's also allergy season. Excuse me.
Yeah, excuse you.
Are you?
I'm a pollen.
How you doing?
Hi.
Getting a little crowded out here with all this pollen. They're giving me agita.
It's giving you a hard time. It's giving all of us a hard time.
This is going to be a pretty big year with all this sniffling and sneezing you're doing.
Pretty big allergy season. That's a pretty big claim.
Oh yeah? Well, just ask your doctor.
I mean, there's an epidemic of allergies. I've been doing this for about 16 years. I feel like that trend is definitely on the upswing.
Okay. So high pollen levels this allergy season, and we know everything starts to bloom when it gets warmer. Well, our climate is getting warmer.
Bingo. Hit us with the numbers.
So over the past few decades, the average springtime temperature has been on the rise. Nowadays, here in Hampton Roads, we average about an additional 2 weeks where temperatures are above average. So more warmth.
More me.
So some extra warmth early in the spring season gives you, what's your name?
Petey the tree pollen. Ho-ho.
Okay, so the extra warmth early in the spring season gives you, Petey, a head start to the season. And if your friends over at the grass and weed families peak on schedule, well, then we've just extended the length of allergy season.
And you're going to be a sniffling and a sneezing.
Climate change is more than just temperatures and sea level rise. It affects us in more ways than we might think. For 10 on your side, Steve Fundero alongside Petey and...
Rocket.
Oh, like snot...
Wash your mouth.
I'd rather watch Wavy TV 10.
Hey, you got to pick that up, Steve. You.